Hi, I'm John Kay, Contractor Nation Air Group out of Seymour, Connecticut. What is the missing element in the cleaning industry as far as safer choice products? I really believe it's education. I've searched high and low to find the greenest, most eco-friendly products available. And I have to be honest, it's hard to find. You really have to dig in to do your research to discover which products are best. I think we can change that. As far as what can we do to promote healthier, sustainable cleaning practices, by far, I think the missing element is education and training. At CN Air Group, we have been rolling out a whole home approach for creating an allergy-free oasis, if you will, in your home. One of our things that we've discovered over the years of working with especially carpet cleaners is about 65% of their work in the spring and summertime are from people that are trying to reduce allergens in the home. They go in, clean their carpet, and think they're done. We're basically showing them that that is not the case. There's much more involved, and I think the whole industry could adopt a better practice for a whole home approach, especially with dealing with cleaning for health and including indoor air quality.